Water is essential for life. All living things depend on it. Plants need water to grow, animals need water to survive. Humans need water for drinking, washing, and growing food. Indeed, water is a precious resource. It covers 71% of the Earth's surface. But only a small percentage is fresh water suitable for our needs. We must conserve this valuable resource. Population growth and climate change are putting a strain on our water resources. We need to find ways to use water more efficiently, especially in agriculture, which consumes a significant portion of our freshwater resources. Drip irrigation is a modern technique for watering crops efficiently. It involves delivering water directly to the roots of plants. Water drips slowly from small tubes or emitters. This method minimizes water waste. It reduces evaporation and runoff. Drip irrigation targets water delivery precisely where it is needed. This targeted approach allows farmers to control the amount of water each plant receives. It optimizes water usage for different plant types and growth stages. Drip irrigation is ideal for areas with limited water availability. Sprinkler systems simulate rainfall. They deliver water through overhead sprinklers. Water is sprayed over a larger area. Sprinkler systems are suitable for crops that require even water distribution. They are effective for irrigating large fields and various terrains. There are different types of sprinkler systems. Some rotate, providing a wide spray radius. Others are stationary, covering a specific area. Farmers can choose the most appropriate system for their needs and crop types. Despite the advantages of modern irrigation techniques, challenges remain. The initial cost of implementing these systems can be high. Farmers may need assistance with setup and maintenance. Technology is continuously improving irrigation systems. Sensors can monitor soil moisture levels. They can adjust water delivery automatically. Precision irrigation systems use data to optimize water usage. Research is ongoing to develop even more efficient and sustainable irrigation methods. The goal is to minimize water consumption while maximizing crop yields. Modern irrigation techniques play a crucial role in sustainable farming. They help conserve water. They reduce the environmental impact of agriculture. By using water more efficiently, we can preserve this precious resource for future generations. These techniques are essential for ensuring food security. As the global population grows, we need to produce more food with less water. Smart irrigation helps us achieve this goal. By adopting sustainable practices, we can minimize our footprint on the planet. We can protect our ecosystems for the future. Water conservation through smart irrigation is a vital step in this direction. Water is the lifeblood of our planet. We must use it wisely. Modern irrigation techniques provide a solution for sustainable agriculture. Drip irrigation and sprinkler systems offer efficient ways to water crops. They minimize waste and maximize yields. By embracing these technologies, we can conserve water. Let us all strive to be responsible stewards of this precious resource. The future of our planet depends on it. Together, we can ensure a water-secure future for generations to come.